నమస్తే ఫ్రెండ్స్, మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు మిస్ ఇండియా 2025 సుదీప్తా దాస్. హాయ్, టెల్ అబౌట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్.
So,
How
Mary,
you are feeling that you are a Miss India of 2025?
I'm feeling great, and standing here in this platform talking to you, it is giving me immense pleasure and the pride. And definitely, my journey started as a small girl who has that dream, who has that aspiration, and then from there, being resilience, perseverance. Even I also had my obstacles. Being a woman, everybody knows that they had to go through so many things. So home, they have to manage the career, they have to manage the home, their kids also. And also, I was a survivor of endometriosis. Even after my pregnancy, I know that being a woman, I had to go through so many issues and challenges. That's when I started with my fitness. And my fitness journey gave me this confidence physiologically, psychologically, my mental health, where I feel that yes, whatever I achieved through my journey, I want to show the world that yes, all women, everybody is unstoppable. And this is my motto of being here as Mrs. India 2025 runner up. And I want to spread the word. I want every woman to feel that fitness is something they can achieve every time, and they are unstoppable. And if they are fit, having a fit body, automatically their mental health also will be good. So this is something where I'm looking forward for a physical and mental health.
Who support you a lot to become a Miss India?
Definitely my husband and my daughter. So they are like having the unwavering support. They are like, you go, you pursue your dream. I'm always there. Even when I went to Jaipur, so my husband is like, I will take care of you, our daughter. So you take care of your thing, you take care of the dream. So whenever he need to pitch in, he is always there. When he has to do all the stuff where I can do my I can reach to my goal, he is always there. So without his support and my daughter, she is like, Mama, I can do my stuff. You take care of your dream. My in-laws, where they are like, you are my daughter. You can achieve everything. Forget about what society will tell you. Forget about what society will think about it. So just go and achieve your dream. So all my family members, they are my support.
How would you maintain your life, personal life and professional life?
Yeah, so that is a very good question, and that is what I want to show the world. When I was 84 kg, I was not even doing half of the things whatever I'm doing currently. This fitness has given me the power, because when you are fit, you can actually do 10 different things and still you feel that you would have the energy. And that is the energy I got from my fitness and strength training. I'm a martial art practitioner also. I do taekwondo, I do kickboxing, and all this energy, because there is a thermodynamics of law. You cannot create the energy. You have to just, energy is transformed from one thing to another. So this is how I give my energy to my body through my fitness and wellness, and that energy I'm utilizing to fulfill my dream.
Nowadays, women are becoming weak, means we cannot do anything. So, what information you want to give them?
Just believe in yourself. I want to always tell the woman that be your own strength, believe in yourself, then you are unstoppable. There will be many people who can pull you down, who will tell you that you are not enough, you are not, you are a failure, or you are not enough for this world. But there will be one person who will believe in you. Be with that one person and just chase your dream. Believe in yourself and chase your dream, and never ever give up. Maybe initially that will be little difficult, you will not see the result immediately, but that's when the consistency and never giving up attitude will work.
What is the beauty in your life? Importance of beauty.
So beauty is something I always believe in, how the other person sees you. Is something, a flower is beautiful to me or to somebody else may not be beautiful to somebody else. So beauty is something which is very temporary, which is something very subjective. So I always believe in the beauty of a heart. If you have the beauty in yourself, that soul is beautiful, and you are somebody who always believes in that, you don't want to do anything wrong for the people, that's when the beauty lies. You should be good at heart, you should be good at soul. The outer beauty may fade, but the inner beauty will never ever fade. So be always kind, be always supportive, and be the woman who wants to lift the other woman to go to the height. That is the beauty for me.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.